Hey, this is Jared Dees from thereligionteacher.com. The four marks of the church are the words that we use to describe the church in the Creed. So what is the church? We say that the church is one. Even though we are many diverse kinds of people, we are united as one. We are one church, one body with many parts. Not many churches, but one church. Secondly, this church is holy. We believe in a holy church, not that each individual person within the church is always acting in a holy, moral way, but the church, because the church is united with Christ, because the church is the body of Christ here on earth, it brings about holiness. It brings about holiness within us, that saints come out of the church in holiness, in service to Christ. And the church is the body of Christ here in the world. The word Catholic, which we've come to use to refer to the Roman Catholic Church, the word Catholic means universal. So we believe in a Catholic church that is universal. It goes out into the whole world. That's what Jesus said to the disciples, right? Go out, therefore, make disciples of all nations, the entire universe. Not just a small group of people, not just a certain type of people, not just a certain nation or part of the world. Universal. That's what Catholic means. And finally, this one holy and Catholic church is apostolic. And what that means is that the apostles, the 12 apostles that were appointed by Jesus to oversee the church, still exist today by the succession of other people. That the bishops and the pope are the successors of the apostles. We believe in an apostolic church because the pope and the bishops are carrying on as successors the role of apostles here in the church today. These apostles might have died, the 12, but they appointed people to take their place, and that's who we look to as our leaders, to make sure that the church continues to be Catholic, to make sure that the church continues to bring about holiness within its people, to make sure that the church is united as one. So those are the four marks of the church and their meaning here when we declare them in the Creed. We say we believe in one church, one holy Catholic church, and one holy Catholic and apostolic church. Go make disciples. God bless.